Hey, Clinton Brown with Lee here, Brown Photography. We are here at a coffee place. This is.
And we're having so much fun. I'm Jade. I'm from England.
Met Nick, and we're here with these coffee beans.
Yeah.
And so we're drinking. What's the coffee with the cat poop?
Yeah,
What's it called? The Luwak, and it's made from cat poop. And she showed me cat poop, and then they take the coffee and they clean it, and then they roast it, and then it comes out like this. And this is the cat poop coffee. Oh, the tree. Okay, this is a tree one. So it's good. Yeah. Oh, we're getting video. You can say hi. She says cat poop really cute. The other ones. Can you show the cat poop? But that's the cat poop, right? That's. Can we show? That is cat poop. Cat poop. And then you clean it, and then you make it in coffee. Okay, we're gonna try that. That's awesome. So these are the cats whose poop I'm gonna drink today. Hello.
Want us to take it?
You were.
Oh, you don't.
So yeah, that's happening. Oh, hello. Hello. Okay. Okay, so you're say it again.
Cat-Poop-chino.
Cat-Poop-chino.
Yeah, Cat-Poop-chino.
Cat-Poop-chino. Here we are. This is Luwak Coffee, made from the best cat poop, all of Bali.
Good luck. Have fun.
Excited. Tastes like shit. Oh no, it's good. It's actually.
It didn't taste that shit.
They call it a Cat-Poop-chino.
This one, mocha coffee.
And it's which one?
Mocha coffee.
Mocha, regular, Cat-Poop-chino. I'll keep some on my mustache for later.
Little feast for you in the hotel.
I should have a sip, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
Right, I'm just about to have a sip.
BrentwoodPhotography.com.
Cat-Poop-chino.
And this one, ginseng coffee, you can try. Yeah, ginseng coffee. Good
Shit,
for
man.
energy.